everyone, welcome to Jadet's Art Academy channel. My name is Maddox Squat and I am a web developer. In this easy to follow video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a fave icon in your web page. Now you may wonder, what is a fave icon? Well, a fave icon is an abbreviated form of favorite icon. It's an icon that helps users and clients to navigate which website they're on. Let's take an example. Facebook, social media, the Instagram, Twitter, all of them, we notice that a particular picture over here, like in this website, it's a real estate website, and this picture, it's a fave icon. It helps you to know that this is a website for real estate. Now, if it were a Facebook social media, you would notice their logo here. Instagram, the same. Twitter, in LinkedIn, all of them. Now, this fave icon, like I said, is what will help users to not know that this website is Facebook. This website is real estate website. This website is LinkedIn. Now, the question remains the same, that how can you create a fave icon? In this video, I'm going to show you how the source code that you're going to use to create a fave icon like this one here and make it like this. And you're going to learn about the dimensions and the importance of the item types in your web page, because the item type matters a lot. The kinds of images that are supposed to be here, you're going to learn them all. And the first thing you're going to do right now is to open your text editor and create an HTML file. I've created mine and I've written the usual doc type HTML, the HTML, the title, fave icon, and the head. I've closed the head. Now I'm going to create the source code inside the head. After the title, I'm going to write the source code. Now before we head into that part, you're going to download an image for your fave icon. This is it. This is an image that has been downloaded, and you're going to do the same. I've already downloaded an image in my computer and I moved it to the folder in which my HTML file is. Now note, I didn't say you that I copied it. No, I moved it. Like you carry the whole content and move it. If you copy the image from where you downloaded it, you copied it to the folder in which your HTML file is in, there are bound to be a lot of errors, and the glitching in your web page, you wouldn't like it anyway. The image might not appear and you might start to wonder what is happening, and it all happens as a result of having the copy of the image and not having the main version, the original version. So you need to get the original version, and after which you move it to the folder in which your HTML file is in. So these are the two things that you need to keep in mind: moving it and making sure that they are in the same folder. The next thing that you need to take note of is the item type, like I mentioned. When I hover my mouse, you notice that the item type appears, and the item type is JPEG file. This helps me to know that the image that I want to use is JPEG file. There are some images that if you want to use them, they happen to be JPG, they happen to be PNG, and all of these are item file types. Now, knowing this will help you to be able to write the source code better. And the dimensions is also very important, because if you use a very small image, it might not appear in the web page. It might not appear. So make sure that the dimension is as well okay. 145 times 145 is okay. All you need to do is to hover your mouse when you want to download, and you'll be able to see the dimensions on it. With that all taken into notes, I'm going to create the source code, and then we'll see how our fave icon looks like. The source code is this. Please be very attentive to what it is. The link, relation, icon, the type is image slash X icon, then the H reference. Like I mentioned, this H reference means where are you referring us to? I'm referring you, the code that is, to the image that I downloaded. That is the wood. So I'm going to refer it to the wood dot. That is where our file will come into. The file type will come to JPEG file. Now we've written the name. Now what is left to be the JPEG file. If yours happens to be PNG, write it down. If it's JPG, you also write it down. With that all taken into note, we are going to refresh our page and see how it looks like. And there, we've created our very own fave icon. And as you can see, it's close to the title in the head. So there, we've created our own fave icon, and now we can write whatever it is we want to write in our web page, although it is blank. Okay, so there, you've seen exactly how to create a fave icon, and you see that it is this image over here that has now appeared at the head. And remember, the source code we used to create our fave icon is link rel icon. Type image slash X icon, H reference referring to the image and the type. The name of the image of my image is wood. The name of your image could be Pix, it could be box, whatever name it is, and then dot the image type file. My image type file is .jpeg. Yours could be JPG and others could be PNG. So once you've put all of this together, you will be able to create your own fave icon. So there. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you really found value in this video, please make sure to hit the like. And if you want more videos from this channel, Jada's Arts Academy channel, please make sure to also hit the subscribe and click on that notification bell to be able to notify you of our upcoming videos. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye!